In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Ansel One account. First of all, what you have to do is launch up an Ansel One application. You can see over here Ansel One application has been opened. In this interface, what you have to do is enter your mobile number in order to log in, or you can also log in via client ID. If you want to log in via client ID, what you have to do is tap on this option, login via client ID, that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is enter the client ID over here. After you enter the client ID, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Follow through the prompts and you'll be able to log into your account. If you want to log in via phone number, what you have to do is go back. Now tap on the field of mobile number. Now enter the mobile number over here. After you do that, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to another interface. In another interface, what you have to do is simply enter the OTP sent to your phone number. After you enter the OTP, you'll be logged in to your account. So that is how you log in Ansel One account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.